UPnP, or Universal Plug and Play, allows devices to automatically discover and communicate on your network, simplifying port forwarding. For gamers on T-Mobile's 5G or fiber internet, enabling UPnP on your Nokia 5G21 or Arcadian KVD21 router can drastically reduce lag and connection issues by automatically opening necessary ports for games like Call of Duty or Fortnite. This avoids manual port configuration and NAT issues, leading to a smoother online gaming experience. As of late 2025, T-Mobile's routers generally have UPnP enabled by default, but verifying is crucial for optimal performance. Keep in mind the security implications and consider using a firewall alongside UPnP for your gaming devices. First, connect to your T-Mobile router's Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address, usually 192.168.12.1 or 192.168.1.1, which you can find on the router label. Log in using your admin credentials. The default is often admin's admin, but change this for security. Navigate to the UPnP settings, typically under Advanced, then Network, then UPnP. Toggle the Enable UPnP option to turn it on. Save the changes and restart your router to apply the settings. You can also use the T-Mobile app, updated in August 2025, to remotely toggle UPnP settings. After enabling, test your connection with a gaming device or use a port checker website. For enhanced security, consider manually forwarding ports alongside UPnP, especially for static IPs, or disable UPnP when not gaming.